Shubho Pujo everyone. Welcome to Indulge and Beyond. We are here at Neoba, ready to dive into the heart of Durga Pujo, a festival that truly brings our community alive. It's more than just a celebration, it's a feeling, a coming together, and a testament to incredible dedication. And trust me, you're about to see just how much love and effort goes into making this happen. Before the goddess arrives, a worthy home must be prepared. And at Neoba, our stage is not just a structure, it's a masterpiece, handcrafted with immense talent and countless hours of hard work by our very own members. For weeks, these dedicated individuals have been tirelessly designing, building, and perfecting every detail. Just look at this. From intricate backdrops to carefully placed lighting, every element tells a story of devotion. This isn't just a stage, it's a canvas painted with collective spirit of Neoba. The moment we have all been waiting for, the arrival of Ma Durga herself. This year, our beautiful idol was carefully handpicked all the way from Kumartuli, Kolkata, from the renowned artist Mr. Mintu Pal. Just look at her. The goddess and all accompanying idols are absolutely mesmerizing. There's a certain divinity and powerful serenity in her gaze. It truly feels like Ma has come to bless her. Finally, on the evening of September 26th, Durga Puja officially began. And leading us in our prayers with immense dedication and devotion was our very own Binoida. And supporting him was Niladri. Being the priest for Durga Puja is a profound responsibility, a spiritual journey that Binoida and Niladri embrace with all his heart and continuously by his side, offering unwavering support with his wonderful wife Reena Devi and rest of his family. As the ritual progressed, the true essence of Durga Puja enveloped us all. The rhythmic, thunderous sound of the dhak, the intoxicating smells of fresh flowers, incense, and bhog. The most importantly, the genuine smiles on everyone's
Happy Durga Pujo! Pujo! Happy Durga Pujo! Video হচ্ছে Happy Durga Pujo! Oh nice! Looks so pretty!
This is what Durga Puja truly brings: an abundance of happiness, a sense of belonging, and a vibrant connection to our roots.
Hi! So we have our registration booth here.
At the heart of
And
this
guys-
organized effort is the registration table, which is meticulously set up for the ease and convenience of devotees. Their dedicated approach to managing the event ensures a smooth and welcoming experience for all devotees and attendees.
So we have chop, vegetable chop, and chalmuri.
You know, For us Bengalis, Durga Pujo isn't just a meal, it's an integral part of the celebration. It's the aroma of home, the taste of nostalgia, and a bonding experience that makes every pujo memorable. It's when families and friends gather, share stories, and indulge in an incredible culinary journey. And let me tell you, at Neoba, we take we take our pujo food very seriously. This year, our dedicated food committee meticulously planned to capture different flavors and traditions that truly sing to the Bengali soul. For our vegetarian friends, we had the incredibly popular Echore Dalna, a delicate jackfruit curry that's a pujo staple rich with spices and comfort. And for the non vegetarians, a true crowd pleaser, flavorful chicken kosha, slow cooked to perfection. And of course, for those who love their dairy based delights, the creamy and aromatic Shahi Paneer was a huge hit, offering that touch of royal indulgence.
খুব ভালো খিদে পেয়েছে আমাদের পুজো। তুমি বলো পুজো কেমন চলছে?
তুমি যা দেখছো আমাকে পুজো সেরকমই চলছে।
বাহ,
শুধু কি জিজ্ঞেস করো?
পুজো পুজো কেমন লাগছে? গুড।
The festivity continues with live music from Ujjaini and Dipayon from Kolkata.
Good evening, everyone. What a beautiful sight today it is. Our Neoba family gathered tonight for an unforgettable evening of music. And tonight, we have the privilege of welcoming two of the brightest voices and their team from the heart of Kolkata to right here in Cleveland, Ohio. Shaha, Sudipto Sarkar and Shagoto Banerjee. I would like to welcome Ujjaini and Dipayan. Please give them a big round of applause.
একটু নিয়োবার জন্য নিজেদের জন্য জোরে হাততালি হয়ে যাক আমার আরেকটু ডিনার টিনার সবার হয়ে গেছে শুভ ষষ্ঠী শুভ মহাষষ্ঠী সকলকে জানাই দেশে
Thank you very much. Thank you.
থ্যাংক ইউ
दुनिया की सुनता है तू
200 guests gathered here, from little ones to the elders, all sharing laughter, prasad, and the delicious food. It's truly capturing the spirit of this festival. This isn't just a pujo, it's a magnificent celebration of community and togetherness, of our shared culture and love. The music tonight was just the perfect note to end on, filling the hall with unforgettable joy. Thank you to everyone who joined us for this beautiful evening. We at Indulge and Beyond have tried our very best to capture every moment of joy so that we can share it with you and help you relive these precious memories. Don't go anywhere. There are still more days of Pujo magic to come. Please continue watching our future uploads for more. And if you enjoyed this glimpse into the heart of the celebration, be sure to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Your support helps us bring more such wonderful moments to our screen. Happy Durga Puja to you all. See you soon. Till then, goodbye.